I know fractions can make equations look harder than they really are, but let's remove the fraction first. We have to solve this equation here, but why don't you pause the video and try this out on your own first? So instead of distributing first, let's clear or get rid of the denominator of 4 right away. So since we're dividing by 4, we're going to undo that by multiplying by 4 on both sides. So that is times 4 on the right and on the left. Okay, so notice that the fraction is gone because the 4's cancel out. And so on the left, we are left with 4 times 3x, which is 12x. And of course, we are now distributing. So we have this negative 2 being distributed to both terms within the parentheses here. And so negative 2 times x is negative 2x. And negative 2 times positive 6 is negative 12. Okay, so now what we're going to do is add 2x on both sides because the ultimate goal is to solve for x. Notice the negative 2x, positive 2x cancel out. On the left, we are left with 14x. Bring down your equal sign and negative 12. Okay, so now we are multiplying by 14. We'll go ahead and undo multiplication by dividing by 14 on both sides here. The 14's cancel out. We are left with x equals, and we're dividing a negative by a positive, so it is a negative answer. And now let's simplify 12/14. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. And 14 divided by 2 is 7. So the final answer here is x equals negative 6/7. All right, so I will leave you with this. As far as the tip is concerned, remove fractions early on when possible. And I will say a common mistake is multiplying only one side. So keep practicing and stay tuned for more calm, clear math lessons right here on Math by TV.